Good morning, children. In today's class, I am going to explain you about the functions of leaf. You all know the very important function of the leaf is to prepare food for the plants. That is the process of photosynthesis. So plants, in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, the plants they take carbon dioxide and water, and the leaves they prepare food for the plants and provide it to other parts of the plants. So other than preparing food, the leaves they store food also. Okay. So we eat the leaves in different forms, like palak, spinach. We eat that. Fenugreek, methi. Okay, we make the vegetables of all these leaves. So they store the food in the leaves also, and which we can use. Such like cabbage. Cabbage is also its example. Other than that, the leaves of some plants changes into the tendrils. What are tendrils? You can see this is the leaf of the grape plant. Because of the tendrils, they climb up the support. So these leaves they change into tendrils. These are the tendrils. So whatever plants is nearby, they take its support and it climbs up. So it is also a function of the leaf which provides support to the plants to climb up. Other is spines. Some of the plants leaves they modified into the spines, such as cactus. This is the cactus plant. Okay, it is having small spine-like structures, right? These are the spine-like structures which are present on the leaves of the cactus plants. Because of these modified leaves which are called spines, the surface area of the leaf reduces and it reduces water loss, which is a adaptation of this cactus plants in the desert area. Other than that, some of the plants they are having conical shaped leaves. The plants which are found in the mountain regions, they have the cone-like leaves. Okay, because of that the snow doesn't settle down and the leaves they can adapt into the cold environment. Clear, children? So these all are the functions of the leaf. We will move on to the other function, that is help in breathing. So how the leaves help in breathing? You all know on the surface of the leaf the stomatas are present. This is the leaf. At the lower surface of the leaf the small opening is present which is called stomata. It looks like this. This is the small opening and guard cells are present at the both sides. So what it does? It helps in exchange of gases. So during the process of photosynthesis, because of the presence of these stomata, it takes in carbon dioxide and it releases oxygen gas. So this helps the plant in photosynthesis and in exchange of gases. The next function is transpiration of the stomata. What is transpiration? Transpiration is the loss of excess water. So how does it do? So these are the roots of the plants. Whatever excess water is present in the plants, the leaves of the plants, it excreted into the environment. So because extra water goes into the environment, so it helps the plant to keep it cool. Okay. So now what has happened? Whatever extra water is present into the plant, it goes into the environment, and because of that, the water which is present into the soil, it is taken up by the roots of the plants. So it makes a transportation system by which the water goes up. And because of this, along with this water, minerals are also taken up with the soil, which helps the plant to grow. So you understood the transpiration? Transpiration मतलब जो भी प्लांट में एक्सेस वाटर होगा वो एनवायरमेंट में लीव्स रिलीज कर देती हैं स्टोमेटा के थ्रू. ओके, सो जो भी एक्स्ट्रा वाटर एनवायरनमेंट में जाता है, अंदर एक सिस्टम क्रिएट हो जाता है. ये जो रूट्स होती हैं ये वाटर को सॉइल से एब्जॉर्ब करेगी, क्योंकि सारा पानी यहाँ से बाहर चला जाएगा, वाटर इज गोइंग आउट, तो रूट्स वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करती हैं और वाटर के साथ मिनरल्स को भी एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती हैं, एंड इट मेक्स अ फ्लो ऑफ वाटर विच गोज अप. क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? नाउ वी जंप ऑन द नेक्स्ट फंक्शन, that is reproduction. Reproduction that helps some of the plant leaves help the plant in reproduction, in reproducing the new leaves, such as bryophyllum. ये देखो, ये bryophyllum का लीफ है. Fine. Bryophyllum के लीफ में corners पे the small leaflets are present like this. Okay. So what happens? Whenever these small leaves they put down into the soil, they grows into a new plant. This is particularly in the bryophyllum leaf, so they helps into the reproduction. ये small plants ही मान लीजिए जो लीफ की साइड में है, ये जब सॉइल में गिरते हैं तो they converts into a new plant whenever they get the favorable situations. Clear children? Next function. The next function of the leaf is that it provides a wide surface which helps in absorption of sunlight. You can see this is a small leaf and this is a big leaf. Okay? In terms of surface area, ये छोटी लीफ है तो इसका surface area कम होगा, ये बड़ी लीफ है तो इसका surface area बड़ा हो जाएगा. So how big the leaf is, that much big surface is having that much number of stomata. So the number of stomata will be more on it. जैसे number of stomata यहाँ पर increase होंगे, इसका absorption power बढ़ जाएगा. So it can provide a big surface for the sunlight to come. तो ये वाली जो लीफ है वो सनलाइट को ज्यादा एब्जॉर्ब करेगी. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई वाइड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द लीफ प्रोवाइड्स हेल्प्स इन एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ मोर सनलाइट which helps in the process of photosynthesis. Okay children, so I think all the functions you understood very well. I just take a quick recap. First function is to prepare food or to store food. Second thing in it, that it is showing the modifications of leaf due to which it is creating the spines and tendrils. Okay. Second, helps in breathing because of the presence of stomata. Along with it, gaseous exchange takes place. Along with it, transpiration takes place. Next function, reproduction. It leaves helps plants to reproduce the new plant. And wide surface area of the leaves help in absorption of sunlight, which helps in the process of photosynthesis. Children, watch this video and remember all the functions of leaf. Thank you so much.